IQ Honey is marketed as a honey-based supplement that claims to boost energy, improve focus, enhance brain function, and support overall wellness. The marketing can make it sound like a natural shortcut to better mental performance. But the real question is, what does the marketing say? Now, to be fair, honey is a natural source of carbohydrates that can provide quick energy, and some honey products include additional herbal ingredients. However, that doesn't automatically mean they deliver the broad health benefits often advertised. What it does well, provides a quick source of energy. Honey contains natural sugars that can offer a temporary energy boost, easy to consume. It can be taken on its own or mixed into drinks and foods. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a proven brain booster. There isn't strong clinical evidence that honey-based supplements can dramatically improve memory, intelligence, or focus. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if individual ingredients have been studied, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers the advertised results. Results vary between individuals. Diet, sleep, exercise, and overall health have a much greater impact on cognitive performance than any single supplement. So, should you buy IQ Honey? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking for a honey-based wellness product. If you enjoy honey and want a natural source of energy, it may be worth considering, but don't expect dramatic improvements in focus or brain performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.